What if I told you the secret to growing bigger, healthier, and pest-free roses is hiding right in your kitchen? Yes, just bury a few garlic cloves near your rose plants, and you'll be amazed at what happens next. Garlic isn't just for cooking. It's a powerhouse for your garden. When you bury garlic cloves around your roses, they slowly release natural sulfur compounds. These compounds act like a shield, protecting your roses from harmful pests like aphids, spider mites, and even fungal diseases. Plus, the scent of garlic confuses many insects that normally attack rosebuds. Here's how to do it right. Step 1, take a fresh garlic and peel off the outer skin. Step 2, bury 5 to 6 cloves about 2 inches deep in the soil around the base of your rose bush. Not too close to the stem. Step 3, water the area gently. Over the next few weeks, the garlic will start working its magic underground.